Hi, I'm Li Hao. I'm a core maintainer of Svelte. If you have followed the latest State of JS survey, you probably have heard about Svelte, which is the latest web front-end framework that leads in terms of user satisfaction. People who use Svelte loves about it. It's been gaining interest and gaining adoption. It's been used by companies like New York Times, Google, and Apple, and many, many more. So if you're interested in learning about Svelte, I have a good news for you because I am going to host a workshop at Cityjs Conf this year, March. So in this 4-hour workshop, I'll be trying my best to share with you all the features there is in Svelte, guide you through so that we can build a real-world application using Svelte. Through the process, I will explain the core concepts to you so that you have a better understanding about how this works so that you can be your own after this. So, interested about it? What are you waiting for? Head over to cityjsconf.org and sign up for you. Hope to see you there.